If you want your septic system to actually work without turning into a total nightmare, you gotta know why baffles in a septic tank are a big deal. So here's the deal with baffles. They're like the gatekeepers inside your septic tank that stop solids from escaping and messing up your drain field. First off, baffles slow down the flow of wastewater so that solids can settle at the bottom and scum floats on top. This keeps the middle layer mostly liquid, which is what you want draining out. If solids sneak past the baffles, they'll clog up your soil absorption area, and then you're looking at expensive repairs or even a full system replacement. Make sure to check that your baffles aren't cracked or missing because that's a common issue. Also, avoid flushing stuff like grease or coffee grounds because they add to the solid buildup. Regular pumping every 3 to 5 years helps keep everything flowing smoothly. And if you're doing any home projects near your septic system, keep heavy machinery away so you don't accidentally damage the baffles or tank. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is ignoring the condition of their baffles, which leads to solids clogging the drain field and causing backups. Fix that by having a pro inspect your tank regularly and replace any worn-out baffles. Another issue is flushing inappropriate items like wipes or grease that increase sludge and can overwhelm the baffles. Just stick to flushing toilet paper and human waste. Lastly, skimping on regular septic tank pumping lets solids build up too much, making baffles less effective, so setting a pump-out schedule is key to preventing costly damage. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff about septic systems and more. It also helps contractors get connected with people needing their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right without the hassle.